Hey guys, it is the 17th of December, and before we get into the log for today, I do want to apologize. This is not a abyss, this is the log I picked yesterday. It is a castle. I'd never really noticed, but it is a castle, not a abyss. So what we have today is a very small, probably also quite bad log, but it is a gold city. That is what it says on it. I don't have a key, but I might find something that works for it. But let's see if we can get it picked at the very least. And I usually use a small tensioner, but I do think this might do. But else I have another possibility right over here by my side. I think I need my small picks for small locks and keyways. Let's put that there. Alright, let's see. I think this spring steel one might be the right one. And not that one, this one. This is a very thin hook from a Chinese set that works quite well for these small locks. Usually it does. Maybe this is better. Sometimes these actually hold up quite well because of that keyway. There we go. SPP it opened on pin 1. There we go. And relocked. Let's see if we can zip it. It's a quite hard thing to do because of that tiny keyway, but we try anyway. And it did open in the end. What else? Let's see, we can try and rake. If I can get a hold of this rake. No, that didn't work, but we did open it twice. It held quite well for being such a small lock, I think, but yeah. Whoops, hit something with the chair. Let's get it on the tree, guys. And we put it right there. Quite a few small locks there in the bottom, but still quite nice locks. Alright guys, that's all we get for today. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.